sea for a getaway. Car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea.
Today is really brilliant weather, as usually. These past days have been a bit cloudy and actually really windy, but today it seems to be alright. Today is actually, we have to check out from the hotel. We are taking the ferry to Phuket today, so it's a brilliant weather on the boat. It's about 3 hours ferry to take from Krabi to Phuket.
One more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat. Grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dance, 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 smoke, smoke, smoke. Fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red. Paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire gotta love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
Sorry guys, the Krabi journey ends here and it is time to find some new adventures in Phuket. But don't worry, still there is material ready to make one extra masterpiece from Krabi. Thanks for watching my videos. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share these good moments with your friends. Also please leave comments below. Please stay tuned, some nice stuff is about to happen in Phuket. I got this feeling.